What up, guys? Bitcoin BMW here, and today we have another simple modification you can do. Today I have the help of Miss Zoe here, and we are putting what in, Zoe?
I forgot.
Air filters?
The air filters.
Yeah, so we're going to put in the air filters and show you how easy this is. Stand by. Okay, so we have Zoe here. We're inside the engine bay, and what we have is these four torque screws that we have to remove, or Torx bit, I don't know what they're called. But anyways, we got the thing and we're removing them. There's four of them we have to remove to reach the air filters. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, Zoe already got one out. Simple as that. Let's watch and see how she does it. Pretty easy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, gosh. There you go. That should be good. Let's go to the next one.
They're quite hard to get out.
Yeah. You want to trade?
Yeah. You can do it faster.
Okay, so we're going to trade off. Now it's my turn. Just get in there and give it a couple turns. Easy breezy, and there it is. Boom. Finish checking this one out. Boom, boom, boom. 2. There we go. See this starting to raise up right here along this line. Okay. The last one. Alright, that's it. Now we're going to take off this big giant air intake. So what we're going to do is try to lift it up off this rubber grommet here, right here, and right here. So all it does is basically going to just lift right up, just like that. Simple. Comes right off. So here, lift up. Oh. Just like that. Boom, that's all it is. Okay, so here is the old air filter, basically brand new. Little torque right here on the edge, but as you can see, these sit a lot deeper. These air vents are real close, tight together. See here, the only difference I noticed, this side is sealed while this whole side is exposed. That's the only difference. So we're gonna go ahead and slap these in the old air take. Just like so. They just slide right in. Look at that. Oops. Okay, this side up. And they just slide right in there, snug. Get this other side in. There you go. So that's all it takes. And then we're going to reinstall this back in. So what we have to make sure is we get these little latches attached up underneath here correctly. Make them line up, that way there's no leaks or anything like that. That's the hardest part about this whole job, is getting these lined up. But besides that, we should be done in about a minute. Let's see. So we're going to lay her down right here. Push it up. Try to line it up with my arms on the bottom. And on this side.
That's it. So now all we do is get our screws, secure them back, and that was it. Okay.
Done.
So we're going to screw these back down. All right, secure. So now make sure this is flush. This ball's down. This side is down. There we go.
And that was all it takes to install the K&N air filters. Super simple. Me and my daughter did it less than 5 minutes. So use these as a little review to help you out. You got this.